Welcome to this series of videos about the usage and installation of Virtual Life Support. In this video, we will be explaining how you can use your menu while using Virtual Life Support and how to access it. This is a follow-up video to the Virtual Life Support introduction video. We recommend that you follow the steps outlined in that video first before following this one. While using Virtual Life Support, you can always go back to the home menu or close the app. In this video, you will be shown how to use the menu and close the application. First, ensure the headset is turned on. Check if the indicator light on the side of the headset is white. If it's not, press the button on the side of the headset to turn it on. You can now put on the headset. Follow the instructions the headset gives you as you have done in the previous instruction videos. Start Virtual Life Support. While using Virtual Life Support, you can access the menu by turning around your hand towards you. The palm of your hand should be facing you. Next, press together your index finger and thumb. Hold this position until you see a small menu popping up. This might take a few tries, so try opening and closing your index finger and thumb until you have found a position that works for you. In the little menu that pops up, you can see a MetaQuest logo. Release your index finger and your thumb from each other while hovering over this button. This will close out Virtual Life Support and return you to the menu. With this, you have successfully managed to exit Virtual Life Support. Thank you for watching this video about using the menu in Virtual Life Support. Check out one of our other instruction videos. You may also want to visit the FAQ on the Virtual Life Support website.